What's going on, and welcome to a new episode of Copilot Prompt of the Week. You already know that you're not using the full potential that Excel has. And did you know that Copilot can help you? Even though Copilot in Excel is still in preview, it can already help you with a bunch of great things. Let's jump in. So here we have a list that contains text and also an email address. And what I would like to do is extract those email addresses from the text. Now I know there's this thing called regex extract, but I don't really know how to use it. So let's see if Copilot can help us with this prompt. So what we do is we ask it to use that formula in Excel to extract email addresses from a cell. And then I show it what an email address looks like, because that's what you need to do with these formulas. So let's see if Copilot can help. So Copilot just gave us a formula. We're going to copy that and then we're going to paste that into cell B1, hit enter, and there we go. We have the email addresses extracted. Now I bet you didn't even know that Excel could do that, did you? And thanks to Copilot, you're now getting more out of Excel than you did before. I hope you enjoyed that one. Looking forward to seeing you next week. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And I'll see you again next week. Peace.